Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hi, everyone. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Hi, everyone. How is your Thursday going? Come on in. When you come on, say hello. Let me know you're here. We're live on YouTube and Facebook this beautiful Thursday afternoon. It is in Alabama. It is in the 70s. I'm telling you, like you think it's still winter. We're like in spring, summer. Come on in, say hello when you come on. Let me know you're here. Hello, Mr. Aquavi. How are you? Oh, Lord, no, that me shit. Emilani Tiety Road. One day come lay down, correction. Moria Nuregua, Oluwaru, no Bamishe. Hello. How are you doing? Thank you for coming on. Let's talk immigration. Let's talk immigration. Hi, everybody. This is Attorney Abisola Ole Samuel, immigration attorney based in Alabama, representing immigration clients in all 50 states. I say that every time because it's true, and I get that question every single day. So I have no problem saying it. I hope you're all having a good day and everyone's doing good. I wanted to come on real quick. It's been one heck of a day. It's been a crazy day. But hey, you put on a smile and you keep going. So I wanted to come on this afternoon and talk about Vawa as a defense in removal proceedings. Once again, this is Attorney Abisola Ole Samuel, immigration attorney. My office is in Alabama. So I'm licensed in Alabama and New York. And please don't ask me why I'm in Alabama instead of New York, because I get that question a lot. Well, family based, because my kids are here and I have custody with your father. So, but I represent immigration clients in all 50 states. So it doesn't matter what state you live in. If you have an immigration case that my firm takes care of, we will help you. Okay? So that's how it is. Very simple. So this afternoon, I want to talk about Vawa as a defense in removal proceedings. Filing for Vawa, using Vawa as a defense in removal proceedings. So come on in, say hello when you come on, and please share this video. If you haven't visited our channel on YouTube, please visit and subscribe, and also invite your friends. Let's build a network. Let's build a community and spread the immigration news, right? So let's get right into it. Vawa as a defense in removal proceedings. For those who don't know, and most people know what Vawa is, but for those who don't know, Vawa is a way, when it comes to immigration cases, Vawa is a way where you can get your immigration, your green card all by yourself without the help of your spouse. So, but you must, this is a must. You must be able to show, because it's a domestic violence act. You must be able to show that you've been abused and you're the victim. Not just arguments ain't gonna work. And I will do another video on that. Argument like back and forth, everyday marital life issues, no. But you have to be able to show the physical or extreme cruelty kind of abuse in order to be able to substantiate and sustain a valid claim. But what happens if you've already been placed in removal proceedings? Say, for instance, I give an example of things that happen. Say, for instance, you're married and you file a marriage-based green card, right? Your spouse files the petition and you file a green card application based on their petition, and it's denied. Or maybe if things go bad and your spouse decides to revoke their petition, and because of that, your green card application is automatically revoked because you have the basis for it. And since you're out of status, The next thing is immigration will send you what we call an NTA, notice to appear, and then you'll be referred to removal proceedings in immigration court and placed in removal proceedings. What will be, and the thing, the way court works is once you're in removal proceedings, you have the burden to be able to prove to the immigration judge that you should not be deported back to your country because of A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever your case may be. That's basically what a defense is. So today I want to address the issue that you can't actually use VAWA as a defense in removal proceedings. So what do you have to show? You still have to show basically the same thing as you would show in a regular VAWA. But in this, there are some special rules that apply, and it's called, VAWA cancellation of removal is what the VAWA defense in immigration court is about. So very similar things you have to still be able to show that you have been, subjected to abuse, battery, extreme cruelty by the U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident spouse. But one of the requirements of VAWA cancellation of removal is, or VAWA as a defense in removal proceedings, is the fact that you have been in the U.S. for at least the past 3 years before you file your application, your VAWA cancellation of removal. You must be physically present in the U.S. Now, if you took a trip, like for instance, as long as you you went to Canada, whatever the case may be, if you were able to get out of the country. As long as that trip was less than 90 days, it doesn't break the chain of continuous presence, physical presence. So you have to be able to show that you have been physically present at least 3 years before your application. You must be able to show that you're a person of good moral character, and also the fact that you're not subjected to any other ground of inadmissibility, right? You must also be able to show that if you were made to return to your country, and if that VAWA application is not granted, it will cause extreme cruelty or extreme hardship to you or your children or your parents who are, and those now, not just any kind of children. Those children must be citizens. Parents must be, legal permanent residents or citizens, or it will be extreme hardship to you yourself. Maybe financial hardship, or if you were made to return to the home country you came from, the conditions in that country are horrible, that it would just be really, really hard on you, and it will be extreme, or it will be cruel for the government to do that. So the fact that you're in removal proceedings does not mean you cannot file for VAWA. So yes, VAWA can be used as a defense in removal proceedings. When you are in removal proceedings, let's be clear. The way it works is that's how court works. So instead of you being in criminal court, it's immigration court. There are some situations where you would be locked up in jail, but most people are not. And when you're a defendant, because that's really the position of someone who's transferred to removal proceedings immigration court, you're a defendant. Then you have the burden to be able to present a defense to stop them removing you from the country. That's basically what this is. The whole thing about being in removal proceeding is. So the question then is, what defense do you have? People use, marriage. People use asylum, but you can also use VAWA as a defense in removal proceedings, proving those points and those requirements that you have to prove. And obviously, you have to have your own, evidentiary documents to back up your claim. Now, don't be crazy and go doing VAWA cancellation removal on your own. This is where, even if you did your initial case by yourself, this is where you need an attorney. And another thing is, you can only use VAWA cancellation of removal if you've already been placed in removal proceedings. So you must be in removal proceedings to use VAWA cancellation of removal. If you're not in removal proceedings, then obviously you can do the regular VAWA. So yes, you can use VAWA as a defense in removal proceedings as long as you're able to show the requirement. And I'll go through them again one more time. First of all, you must be in removal proceedings. Secondly, that you have been abused by U.S. citizen spouse, legal permanent resident spouse, parent, child, or son or daughter. You have been physically present in the United States for at least 3 years before you file for this application. You are a person of good moral character for at least 3 years. That the removal, if you're made to be removed, it will cause hardship to you, children, or parents, and you're not inadmissible for any other grounds, right? And this is what happens in court. So you don't get VAWA cancellation removal just regular, in regular USCIS. No. So that is a defense to removal. And please do not do it by yourself. But if you need help with it, whether it's so this is called a defensive VAWA. The regular VAWA we do with USCIS is called an affirmative VAWA. So whether you need help with your affirmative VAWA or defensive VAWA or any other immigration services that we provide, fiancé visa, citizenship, marriage-based, employment-based, they all know. Please call my office, number 334-341-4475, email aos@olalawfirm.com. And let's see, let me take this down so you can see website, olalawfirm.com. Let us help you with immigration cases. I'm passionate about what I do. I said that all the time. I exude the passion. So thank you to all those who jumped on real quick. And please share. Please share. Sharing is caring. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do. We're also on Instagram. I'm everywhere. I'm this Nigerian, American, African immigrant lawyer who has gone through this whole process herself personally. I get the feeling, and it gives me great joy to help other people and make a living from it, obviously. But the greater joy is being able to help other people through the immigration process. Thanks to all those who jumped on. Until next time, everybody.